The International Labour Organization, ILO, focuses on safety and health at work as a key topic to promote decent working conditions globally. Here's an overview of their work in this area. Key areas of focus: occupational safety and health, OSH, standards. The ILO sets international labor standards to ensure safe and healthy working environments. Key conventions include C-155, Occupational Safety and Health Convention, 1981, C-187 Promotional Framework for Occupational Safety and Health Convention, 2006, Prevention of Occupational Hazards. The ILO emphasizes preventing workplace accidents, injuries, and diseases, promotes risk assessment and management strategies, global campaigns and initiatives. World Day for Safety and Health at Work, April 28, raises awareness about preventing occupational accidents and diseases. Vision Zero, a global campaign to eliminate work-related deaths, injuries, and diseases. Support for workers and employers, provides tools, guidelines, and training to improve workplace safety. Encourages social dialogue between workers, employers, and governments. Emerging challenges, addresses new risks such as psychosocial hazards, ergonomic issues, and the impact of climate change on workplaces. Focuses on the safety and health of vulnerable groups, including migrant workers and those in informal economies. COVID-19 response. The ILO has provided guidance on ensuring safety and health during the pandemic, including measures for remote work and workplace adaptations. Resources and tools. ILO Encyclopedia of Occupational Health and Safety, a comprehensive resource on workplace hazards and prevention. OSH Global Framework, a strategy to improve national OSH systems. E-learning courses and training materials for workers and employers. Why it matters. Safe and healthy workplaces are fundamental to decent work and sustainable development. The ILO's efforts aim to reduce workplace fatalities, injuries, and illnesses, contributing to social and economic progress.